Bobble stitch is made by working 3 stitches of 4 closed stitches into 1 stitch. In other words, by working 3 or 4 stitches into 1 stitch and then casting them off together as if they were 1 stitch. This stitch creates a little ball that protrudes from the fabric and is used as a decorative element. In this example, we are going to show you how to make a bobble with 5 double crochets. Start by working a double crochet without finishing. Into the stitch indicated in the pattern, this means a double crochet without finishing the last step. To do so, yarn over and insert the hook into the stitch. Yarn over again and draw through the stitch. You will have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over again and draw the yarn through the first 2 loops on your hook. There will be 2 loops left on your hook. This is the first unfinished double crochet. Now repeat the same steps to work another double crochet without finishing. Yarn over again and insert the hook into the same stitch. Yarn over again. Draw the yarn through and yarn over again. Draw the yarn through the first 2 loops on the hook. Now you will have 3 loops on the hook. In the same stitch, work 3 more double crochets without finishing in the same way. For each stitch, you will have 1 more loop on the hook. Once you have worked the 5 double crochets without finishing, you will have 6 loops on your hook. To cast them off, yarn over and draw the yarn through all 6 loops on your hook. You will have just worked a bobble. Now continue working as indicated in the pattern.